got that bone scrap.
Oh my god! Ah, you bitch! You bitch! You bitch!
She climbing down. She climbing down. You better run.
Come on, what's up? What's up, bitch? What's up, bitch?
Bitch. What's up, bitch? What's up, bitch? What's up, bitch?
Come on, come on, come on, come on. No, bitch! Move. Bitch,
Climb
move.
back up. Oh, good
God damn it!
I got a question. How she can get you already? Like...
And this bitch holding my face! Bitch, I am not your type! You dirty motherfucker, you! I can't step. You know what? Cause then you'll be able to see.
Okay. A rush a week.
No, no, don't do rush week to him because y'all cheat with that.
What do you mean? I don't know what you're talking about.
Y'all hear the bullshit? I'm sorry for everybody in D Nathan stream. Y'all hear the bullshit that's coming out his mouth, right? So I've known him for a long time. He loved making people look stupid on their stream.
I don't never know what you're talking about.
Yes, you do. You do know what I'm talking about. Cause I'm telling the truth, and you know it.
No.
Bitch, motherfucker, I hate you! Hope y'all follow. Blaze, she literally held my head like as if I was one of her dudes or something. Like, don't do that. It's bad enough you dirty because of your feet, and if your feet look like that, I know the smell like what. So I don't know. I'm just saying, it just smell like what? Who done it? Why?
But Rick, one of the matches that I want to be killer while you are the survivor.
So you just basically want to kill me, D Nathan? That's what it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look how he said. Look how happy he said. Yeah.
He just being honest.
He said, yeah.
Yep.
He said, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh Lord.
Oh, she's eating you, bitch. Oh, hell no. Oh, that bitch. Running. My face is so red right now because dude. Motherfucker. Wake your ass up, bitch. It
was. Yeah, that was. She has now.
Ryan. Ryan, you gonna take that bass out your voice?
Huh? What's he
See,
say?
that's what would be him. I ain't none of those Xbox players. You go curse it out.
No, hurry up, please. Hold on, I got you. Hold on, I got the back. I got your back. Help
me. Got my back. Just have my back, please. Oh my God.
Oh, please, hurry. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Johnny's coming! Get away!
No! Jamer, you wrong for that shit!
What did I do? I climbed out!
Oh my God! I I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. I knew that was gonna happen to me. And that nigga kicked me in my stomach.
I think I lost them. You get away from
Why is he kicking me? J Murphy ass sacrificed the fuck out of me.
Hey Nathan, please tell me you have a 2 pick, a lock pick.
I do. Don't say nothing. I'll do it.
I'm gonna be right back. I'm going to the bathroom.
Yeah, go back to
I'm going to the bathroom.
Oh, I can't do this. Oh, I can't do this. Yeah, but Leatherface and Johnny was gonna show up.
In God's name. What is this place? Okay. God. It's too quiet.
Bye, bitches.
Something's not
You have to go.
The girl look like she about to. Okay.
Rika, your character is like, if you don't teabag him.
I'm not
Grab
teabagging
that
him.
wrench.
Okay.
that wrench
Hold
right
on.
To go. You got nowhere to go. Where you going?
I got that.
Oh hell no!
I got that. I got a Delta pitch right there.
Oh shit!
Yeah, you just needed that because you just slammed the door in front of my face like that, and that was very outside for it.
Yeah.
I'm looking at the phone and the camera right here. Like what? What?
Rika, not Rika. Ryan, you got some blood? Like, go ahead, feed some to Grandpa.
I have no blood.
You ain't playing with Ryan? Push the fucking over.
I found Rika earlier.
If you teabag me, you're an asshole, and I hope that you you fall down and you break your fucking ankle.
I'm not doing that. I just walked over you.
Don't walk over me. That's disrespectful.
But you're dead already.
You. That don't be. Damn. Well, wow. Okay.
I just said.
Tell me how the fuck you really feel. Shit.
Oh, really?
Welcome to the dark side,
Damn,
Rika.
I was not expecting that shit.
I got you. Ooh, I got you.
See, Nathan got my house though, and I cannot go up there when Ryan's after me and he just swiped me with two shots.
Oh! What? No! What you after me for? No! Oh, this is Blood Moon. Oh.
I told you it was Blood Moon.
I ain't know that.
We put it on Dawn though.
I put it on something else.
Hold up, since she said it, now she finally realizes blood must be upstairs because it's not red in the basement. Oh, someone got popped with your child. Oh, someone got popped with the child. Interesting. It was Rick. Hey, Rick, how you doing?
Get back here and take this pounding.
Get back here.
God damn you!
Oh, I was trying to buy her. Go get her. Go get her.
No!
Oh, yeah! Yeah! Go get her! Go get her! Go get her! She got hit with the explosive. Good trap to play. Good trap from D. David. Good trap, D. David. Good trap.
Ryan, it's on you, baby. It's on you.
Because I wouldn't even know what traps to put down.
That was a motherfucking. This.
Are you guys?
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Oh! No! Fuck you! Fuck you! No! Get over there! Oh, that's so. That's alright, I was a fucking soldier. D Nathan, where the fuck you went?
I went back to the Italian basement.
And then you gonna
Killed
use
you.
my titties. And then you gonna use my titties to give you a blood drink? What kind of shit?
That was delicious.
Yeah.
You? Oh Lord, with his crazy.
Oh. I got a clue.
Yes, you do. Bruh. Okay, Cass.
Oh, what up?
Who you looking for? Oh!
Ain't that a bit? Okay.
Come over here.
Well, I see something.
You see cheeks. Oh, goddamn!
Yes, I do.
Where you went? D Nathan, you just fully right here, ain't you?
No.
Let my friends be okay.
Ain't nobody gonna be wearing bruh. Oh,
Yeah. Where you at?
I'm with Jesus, and he's my best
Where's he
friend.
at?
Coming. Shut it down.
Ooh.
They back here.
Alright, still, we got them distracted right now.
Mother.
I just ran right past him.
They all in the back.
All of
Okay.
them? Wait, all of them are?
Mm-hmm.
I can't see them.
They ran. Some of them is either in here or they in the whatchamacallit.
Stand the door so you get.
Oh.
Where's she at? At the back here. And Connie was back here too.
Did they hear me?
That might be, Steel or Unique.
I'll take it 1 second.
Check the grass break quick. I ain't leaving.
Oh,
Oh,
did somebody
shit.
open that gate?
What gate?
Oh, that's the scene.
Who chasing you?
What's
So
her
we gotta
name?
look for
The
a
lady
phone,
with the
right?
damn fucking
Okay.
the lady. Yeah.
Got you're not ready.
And I just need to hear somebody
Oh,
breathing or something.
says
Go
he
on, do
finds
the fuse.
somebody, that's Shula,
We're
that's
doing
Steel.
confused.
Yeah.
Cold. Hey, damn.
She's still on me.
Distraction.
They both of them now they on me. They all are on me
Oh,
now.
they all
Where the
over
fuck is the
here,
well?
two of them.
Are you
Where you
serious?
over there?
Are you in the
And
back?
Connie?
Like, where you at?
I
No,
was
that
at
was,
the,
Oh, I just saw you.
I had to jump down the well.
They about to jump me.
Steel. Not Steel, Shamer right here. He running. Oh!
Where's D
And
Nathan?
the basement exit open.
Go ahead.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I have to go and find help.
Oh,
They
Damn, how the fuck she
open.
get down here back fast as hell?
bro. There's no way.
The basement ass is open. Alright.
Somebody just jumped in the well. I'm guessing that was Connie.
They
Let's
going to
hurry
that
up before we
basement exit. That's why we gotta go.
Where's that thing at? Where the fuck is it at? I'm so over this. I'm about
know
to jump
where-
on hell divers. I'm over this.
Get away.
Like because
I don't know where
this
it
is
is.
bullshit.
I need energy.
Where's the
I
thing?
need help.
Man, fuck this, bro.
It's right here.
Oh my gosh. Man, fuck
Oh,
this.
here, bro.
Bro.
This is where I fell
Where
down.
is it?
I'm jumping on hell divers. I'm about to say fuck y'all. I want custom
Dead.
out. Fuck y'all. I'm jumping
It's
on
right-
hell dive.
Go straight to that
Oh,
area.
it closed.
Oh yeah, go, go. Damn it, she closed it. She closed it.
Dude, what?
Inside the house, inside with the two. Go! Hurry up! Hurry up,
In
Brian!
the basement?
Oh shit!
He was in the house. Just
God
now.
damn you! Sorry. Now go. Quickly run!
Come on.
So she's triggered it.
Hell did he go?
Okay, go to the.
See? Oh
Go
my
to
gosh!
it's locked.
I got it. Just go get
That's
him. Just
everything.
go get him. I got it.
He about to drop me.
Oh, he coming up. He coming up.
So it's.
Dang,
Oh,
she
he
turned the
pushed
thing
me.
back off. This is what I don't like.
I get you're dead.
I'm believing now.
Me and you not ready going to the basement.
Okay, I done
Take
ripped
hands,
I done
take
ripped
his
all the
hand.
things, so he
Well,
can't
I
get
gotta
the.
go and tell him.